Oh man, I'm excited for this video because today we're going to talk about day trading and how this can change your life in 2021. Now I know that's a big statement, but it truly can, because day trading teaches you the values and the skills to either become a day trader like myself, which will bring you wealth as a main source of income, as a secondary source of income, or it can give you some skills and attributes to go open your own business or become an entrepreneur. So if that's interesting, then I definitely advise you to watch this video, and without further ado, let's run this intro and get into it. So a brief overview of what is day trading. Day trading is basically me waking up every morning, going to my computer screen, looking at the market, seeing if it will go up and down based on my own profitable strategy, and based on that I take a trade and I make money. Nice. Well, simpler said than done, of course. But with that being said, that leads me on to the first part of why day trading can change your life in 2021. So the first point is it gives you full freedom of time. Now the markets are open 90% of the time during the day. They are actually open 24 hours and they have different sessions. So with that being said, you can day trade any time during the day. But there are certain times that are better than others, but it normally fits towards your schedule. Now living here in beautiful Dubai, I have a perfect trading schedule that fits with my lifestyle, and that is really great. Part number 2, it makes you money. I mean, this is the whole point of people starting it as a career, is because it makes you money. Now day trading can make you an unlimited amount of money. Why? Because day trading has $6 trillion traded in the market. Now I'm not saying that you're gonna go in there and make all the money in the world. I'm just saying it's unlimited to how much money you can make. Well, it is limited, but no one's gonna be making $1 trillion, and that you have to be realistic. So guys, if you've seen these adverts on Instagram and all of these places promising you crap like this, like this, swipe up. Then you should stop, because this is all fake. Obviously, look, I just did it myself. I mean, it's so easy to do. Promising you a fake lifestyle. They are fake. You can't believe this. I mean, look guys, people study 7 years to become a doctor, and the doctor's salary that they make in 1 month, you can make 1 day of day trading, and that's not a lie. Yes, but that takes time, guys, and it takes a lot of time and effort. Same as becoming a doctor. But there are plenty of opportunities. Number 3 is a really interesting one, because it's a group of things. Is day trading brings you these values and skills that can be applied anywhere. And with these skills that you learn from day trading, you can grow and become a successful individual. For example, number 1, it teaches you to be creative. I can't tell you how important creativity is in this world, especially with everyone coming up with similar ideas. It is really annoying that everything you think of these days someone has done. So being able to be creative is really important. Now you must be thinking, how does day trading make you creative? Well, day trading, you have to go into the markets, develop a strategy to make money, and that's being creative. It's being creative, looking at the patterns in the market and developing a strategy. Number 2 is it teaches you how to manage money and manage risk with your money. That is such an important skill in this time. And learning to be able to manage money and generate more money from the money you have is an amazing skill, because that means that in the future you'll be able to let money work for you, and you guys will stop working for money. I'll let that sink in. But the thing is that you have to understand that these skills can be applied not only in day trading, but these skills can help you start a business startup, an entrepreneur lifestyle, and that is amazing. Let's wrap this up. Day trading can bring you so much value and skills, such as quick decisions, and even lead you into different career paths. Did you know that financial advisors is one of the highest paying jobs, and day trading and learning to manage risk and money is one of the main parts, so it can even lead you into that career path. Now with that being said, on this channel I will be teaching you guys how to day trade. I will be starting from almost near basics and going right to the advanced stuff. And if you find that interesting and want to learn how to day trade and learn how to day trade organically and realistically, not promising you tomorrow that you make $10,000 daily in the market, which is very achievable guys in the future. future, and I am speaking from experience and research. So with that being said, I would appreciate if you guys like this video, subscribe for my channel for this day trading related content. As we grow together, there will be a lot more content relating to how to make money work for you and you guys stop working for money. So if you enjoy this content, please guys subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you in the next video where we're gonna talk about the basics of day trading. So be subscribed to hear about that, and remember guys, trade sharp and take care. With that being said, peace.